take it in.
Hello, is this churches?
If I...
Yes, I was wondering, what time do your Sunday services start?
No, this is Church's Chicken on West Trade and Betty's Ford.
I know that, baby. I heard y'all had a chicken dinner sale down at the church, and I was wondering what time does your Sunday service start?
Or what time they start? What time the restaurant open on Sunday?
No, the service. The service, baby. The service. I know. I'm sorry, I don't speak loud. I'm sorry. I'm kind of elderly, and I have a hearing aid. It's kind of hard for me to project my voice.
Okay, listen to me. Listen to me real quick. This is a restaurant. This is not a church. This is Church's Chicken.
I know, baby, y'all have chicken dinner sales. I know that.
We don't have
chicken
dinner sales at this church, ma'am. We sell chicken to the public. This is not a church dinner where you sell church's dinners. We sell chicken by the box or by the whatever you want to buy it.
Oh, so after service you sell the dinners. You buy a chicken box.
No, ma'am. What is this? Okay, this is the church's Chicken. Church's Chicken restaurant on West Ford and Betty Trade.
Okay, I'm detecting a little attitude. I'm kind of elderly, so I don't know if I'm upsetting you or if you're busy, but...
You're not understanding what I'm telling you. This is the restaurant. This is not a church that sells meals after the church. This is Church's Chicken on Betty Ford and Trade.
Well, can I speak to the pastor? Is he available?
Ma'am, this is not a church. This is a restaurant. This is what I'm trying to get you to understand.
Well, do you have the number to the church?
Ma'am?
Do you have the number to the church, son?
No, ma'am. I sure don't. I don't even know what church that you're talking about.
On Betty's Ford Road.
What's the name of the church on Betty's Ford?
They have the chicken dinners on Friday, and I wanted to know...
Ma'am, you must be talking about United House of Prayer for All People.
No, I don't mess with the House of Prayer because I worship Jesus, not a man. So I just need to know. So there's no pastor, secretary, assistant pastor I can speak with?
No, ma'am, there is not. This is a restaurant, not a church.
Oh, all right, then. Well, thank you, dear.
You're welcome, sweetie.
All right, bye-bye.
Yes, ma'am.